Good morning, dear students, and welcome to mathematics class again. Students, today we will solve the questions of system of linear equations using inverse of a matrix, that is matrix method, exercise 4.6 of NCERT book. Steps to solve system of linear equations by matrix method. We have to calculate first determinant of A, second minors, third cofactors, fourth adjoint of A, fifth inverse of A, and sixth x equal to A inverse B. After that, we will find the values of variables equating the matrices. Now, exercise 4.6. Solve system of linear equations using matrix method. Using matrix method. Students, you know matrix method तभी अप्लाई किया जाता है जब इस matrix is non singular and its A inverse exists. Clear? Now, let's try to solve this question. Solution: given 5x plus 2y equal to 4 and 7x plus 3y equal to 5. This system of linear equations can be written in the form ax equal to b, here a equal to 5 to 70 coefficients of x, y, z, coefficients of x, y, b equal to x, y variables, x equal to and b equal to constant terms, matrix of having constant terms. Clear? Here A is a matrix of coefficients x and y, x is a column matrix having elements variables x and y, and B is a column matrix having elements constant terms. Clear? Now we have to calculate determinant A. Determinant A is equal to determinant of 5 to 7 C. In case of determinant having order 2, we take product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements not equal to 0. Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix, and in this case A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now, जब A inverse exist करेगा, now we have to calculate adjoint of A inverse. After that, we will find the values of x and y by algebra of matrices. Now, adjoint of A is equal to, we will calculate here adjoint of A without calculating minus and cofactors. We know in case of matrix having order 2, we can calculate adjoint A direct by interchanging diagonal elements and chain sign of non-diagonal elements. Now we have this is adjoint of A. This is adjoint of A. Clear? This This is adjoint of A. Now we know A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon value of determinant is 1, adjoint of A 3 minus 2 minus 7 5 is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. Therefore A inverse is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. This is A inverse. Now we have Ax equal to B. It implies x equal to B upon A लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because A inverse exist करता है and this can be written as A inverse B. Clear? This can be written as A inverse B because A inverse exists. Matrix of inverse of matrix A exist करता है. Now we have x equal to xy and A inverse is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 7 5 and matrix B is equal to 4 5. After multiplication we have this is a matrix. P matrix is matrix of order 2 cross 2 and this is a matrix of 2 cross 1. After multiplication we get a new matrix having order 2 cross 1. You know एलिमेंट वाइज फर्स्ट कॉलम में मल्टीप्लाई होगी. एलिमेंट वाइज मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कितना आएगा 12 प्लस करके कहाँ लिखेंगे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम माइनस 10 28 प्लस 25 2 minus 3 2 minus 3. Now since matrices are equal, यहाँ जो है मैट्रिक्स दोनों कैसी हैं बराबर. And we have already studied in chapter 3, if two matrices are equal then their corresponding elements must be equal. Therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. This is the solution of this system of linear equations and we have find it due to by using matrix method. We have calculated it by using matrix method. अब बच्चों हम उसकी वेरिफिकेशन भी कर सकते हैं हमारा आंसर सही है या गलत है. हम चेक खुद ही कर सकते हैं. वेरिफिकेशन कैसे करेंगे? जो हमारे पास x और y की वैल्यूज आई हैं उनको हम कहाँ पुट करेंगे इक्वेशन. तो हमारे पास ऐसे 5x प्लस 2y 4. यहाँ हम दोनों इक्वेशन में चेक करते हैं. x इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड y माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 12 4 10 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 4 4 इक्वल टू 4. सिमिलरली यहाँ हम पुट करते हैं 5 14 माइनस 9. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वी आर करेक्ट. हमारा जो आंसर आया x और y की जो वैल्यूज आई हैं वो बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक है. तो आप इस केस में अपना आंसर खुद चेक कर सकते हो. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y calculated by using matrix method. Right? Now next question is, this is a system of linear equation having three variables x, y and z. We have to solve this system of equation by using matrix method. Let us try to solve this question in the same way as we have done question number 7, question number 13. Given this this system of linear equations can be written in the form ax equal to b, where a is a matrix having elements coefficients of x, y, z 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. X is a column matrix having elements x, y, z. D is also a column matrix having elements 5, minus 4, 3. Now, अब हमें क्या निकालना है? Determinant of A. Determinant of 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Determinant of A is equal to, expanding along R1 we have 2, इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3, in this case minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5, 10 plus 15 plus 15 equal to 40, not equal to 0. Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix and A inverse at least कर रहा है. Clear हो गया? Now we solve this question ahead by matrix method by finding adjoint of A inverse, and after that iterating the matrices to find variables x, y, z. Now बच्चों, अब हम माइनर गैप फाइंड आउट करेंगे. मैंने M11, M12 और M13 ये ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया है आप. तो यहाँ जो मेरा M1 आया था वो आया था 5, और जैसा कि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया था, इस केस और इस केस में, इस केस में और इस केस में और इस केस में, ये जो 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं, इन केस में माइनस और फैक्टर क्या रहते हैं हमारे सेम, और जो रिमेनिंग 4 एलिमेंट्स है ये और ये, इनके केस में माइनस एंड फैक्टर डिफर बाय साइन. क्लियर? तो M1 कितना आएगा हमारा? M1 आएगा 4 plus 1 कितना 5, और A1 में कितना आएगा 5. M12 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, A12 sin change 5, M13 minus 1 plus 6 5, A13 again 5. यहाँ लिखेंगे कितना है, ए की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास 40. M21 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 8 1 3. Next, M22 minus of minus 2 minus 4 minus 9 minus 13, A22 also minus 13, M23 minus 2 minus 9 minus 11, A23 with change of sign 11, M31 minus of 3 plus 6 9, A31 means same, M32 minus of minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 A32 1. Here M33 minus of minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. A33 minus 7. A33 also minus 7. Now adjoint of A is equal to A11 5, A12 5, A13 5, A21 3, A22 minus 13, A23 11, 9, A31 9, A32 1, A33 minus 7. ये जो फैक्टर आए हैं इनका चलेंगे हम ट्रांसपोज. After taking transpose we have 5, 5, 5. First row becomes first column, becomes first column, second row, second column, and third row, third column. Then this is adjoint of A. This is adjoint of A. Now A inverse नोट करेंगे. What is the formula of inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 upon 40, 5 T 9, 5 minus 30, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. This is adjoint of A. A inverse. Now we have Ax is equal to B. इसका मतलब ये हुआ x कैन बी written as A inverse into B. X is equal to A inverse B. Clear? Now we have x is a column matrix having elements x, y, z, and A inverse is equal to 1 by 40, 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. This matrix is multiplied with the column matrix B having elements 5 minus 4 3. Yes. Now after multiplication we have, this is a square matrix of order 3 and this is a column matrix of order 3 cross 1. Number of columns of pre-matrix are equal to number of rows of post matrix. So their multiplication is possible. After multiplication we have first row first column element वाइज प्लस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और प्लस करके कहाँ लिखेंगे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. हमारे पास क्या आएगा इस अगेन 25 plus 52 plus 3 25 minus 44. This is a new matrix having elements 40, 80 and minus 40. Each element of this matrix is multiplied by 1 by 40. B है हमारे पास क्या आएगा 40 upon 40, 80 upon 40 minus 40 upon 40. हमारे पास x y कितना आएगा 1 2 minus 1. 1 2 minus 1. These two matrices are equal and we know that two matrices are equal if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, after getting the matrices we have x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to minus 1. These are the values of x, y, z calculated by using matrix method. Clear? Similarly, you can verify for by putting values of x, y, z in any equation of this system. आप चेक कर सकते हो कि आपका आंसर सही है या गलत है बच्चों। जब और ये जो क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको एग्जाम में, ये 6 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है और ये क्वेश्चन हर सीरीज में ABC जो सीरीज आती है आपको एग्जाम में उनमें पूछा जाता है। तो बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन को आपने इतना प्रैक्टिस करना है कि आपका ये क्वेश्चन कम से कम समय ले। जब आप पेपर में बैठे तो सबसे पहले आपने इस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करना है। सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन है और आप माइनस और फैक्टर प्रैक्टिस कर चुके हैं। एडजॉइंट ए कैसे निकालते हैं, ए इनवर्स कैसे निकालते हैं, डिटरमिनेंट कैसे निकालते हैं, जितनी भी चीज़ें आपने इस चैप्टर में की थी उन सभी को हम यहाँ अप्लाई करते हैं और उसके बाद वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड बाय यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स मेथड कैलकुलेट करते हैं। ठीक, now students, question number 16. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. And the cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. Find cost of each item per kg by matrix method. We have to find the cost of 1 kg onion, 1 kg wheat and 1 kg rice by matrix method. Solution: let the cost of 1 kg onion is equal to x rupees, cost of 1 kg wheat y rupees and cost of 1 kg rice is equal to z rupees. Then in mathematically given as 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90, 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. Now we will solve these equations, system of linear equations by matrix method in the same way as we have solved question number 13. After solving these equations by matrix methods, we have x equal to 5, y equal to 8, z equal to 8. These are the cost of 1 kg onion, 1 kg wheat and 1 kg rice. Hence the cost of 1 kg onion is 5 rupees, the cost of 1 kg wheat is 8 rupees and the cost of 1 kg rice is 8 rupees. Now miscellaneous exercise 4, question number 16. Solve the system of the following equations. Equations are 2 upon x plus 3 upon y plus 10 upon z equal to 4, 4 upon x minus 6 upon y plus 5 upon z equal to 1, and 6 upon x plus 9 upon y minus 20 upon z equal to 2. Students, these equations are not linear equations. Why? Because in these equations, variables x, y, z are in denominators. But students, we can make these equations linear equations by taking 1 upon x equal to u, 1 upon y equal to v and 1 upon z equal to w. Then we have the system of linear equation is 2u plus 3b plus 10w equal to 4, 4u minus 6b plus 5w equal to 1 and 6u plus 9b minus 20w equal to 2. This system of linear equations can be solved by matrix method in the same way as we have solved question number 13. After solving by matrix method, we have u equal to 1.2, v equal to 1.3 and w equal to 1.5. But we have taken 1 upon x equal to u, 1 upon y equal to v and 1 upon z equal to w. Therefore x equal to 1 upon u means 1 upon 1 upon 2 equal to 2, y equal to 1 upon b means 1 upon 1 upon 3 equal to 3 and z equal to 1 upon w means 1 upon 1 upon 5 equal to 5. These are the values of variables x, y and z. Hence x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5.